are taking a walk here in our neighborhood without Petunia. Just me and Gary. There all the husband. Those trees. Love those flowers. You know, it's a nice neighborhood.
Oh yeah, I like it here.
Yeah.
Content to stay right where we're at,
Quiet.
for the most part.
Well, it's really quiet. Just, I think 90% is quiet. It just those you hear is the construction. Wow, look at this. Let me peace my eyes. Look at that. It's a big, big tree. I love this tree when bear flower. There's more there, oh, with malunggay. Look at the malunggay. That's a nice tree, nice flower.
Making a lot of progress on that house.
Look at that dog.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow, I like that. It's pretty. Oh, look at the net. Come on, baby. Look at the net.
Messing up their leaf ranking.
Oh, it's like fall here. You see that? Looks like rain. Wow. It's good. fall season here. Joke. It's just because it's windy. That's why we have so much leaves. Yeah. See that? Jackfruit is still there. Yeah. Doing a little gardening, little trimming, little this and that with the husband. Right there, baby. Just put there, and then I will look what we got there. We got something there, something or somebody. See that? See that, guys? He's been following Daddy. I know. Right there. You can just change that, baby. There you go. There it is. Alden and Oscar in the making. Pick him up, baby, and bring it back. It's not, should not do that.
Very good. You just got rid of the fleas. You don't need new ones.
He didn't even scared at Petunia.
No, he's been growing up with it. He knows that dog ain't gonna hurt him.
You, huh? You attack mommy, huh? You attack mommy, huh? You need to clean up. Ow! Ow! Oh, he's wired up, baby.
Yeah, he's wired.
You guys here on the shade.
Love
He's
his
wired
eyes.
out. Yeah, that's really nice.
Love his eyes.
Take that booger. Morning booger. Take that morning booger, baby.
Yep. It's hard to do with the teeth. Here, you get him.
Oh, look at the eyes. I thought he's not there anymore.
Yeah, he's playing now. He's just playing.
Okay, you guys go inside now. He wants to play with Daddy. He's been following you, babe.
Yeah, yes. He's been standing on my feet while I was there working in the kitchen.
Yeah, he's been wanting Daddy. See? You think, did you feed him yet?
Yeah, I did.
Looks like he's hungry. Sounds like
Look
he's
at his
hungry.
chin. Underneath his chin's got black underneath it.
All pusa like that. Pauline, Alden. Yeah, Alden also. And Even kimchi have that. You? Okay, just say. Hello, Sammy. What you got there, Sammy? What's that? Huh? You okay? Turn on the lights. Let's make ginatan today. Alright. Let's get these bananas. We have kamote here. And we have the gabi. Sago. Ano? Abutin natin ang ating mga ugat. Kata. Yan. Bumili ako kahapon. So, I have 5 here. Gamitin ko na lahat. Mas masarap yung creamy. You know? Tingnan nga natin kung meron pa. Dito sa taas. Yeah. Wala na ba? Akala ko meron pa ako dito. Wala na pala. Oh well. Then, we have gabi. Ayan. Ang ganda ng gabi natin. Masarap ito sa sinigang. Gusto ko ito sa sinigang. Dapat yung isang klaseng gabi for binatan eh. Kaya lang wala akong makita. Pwede na rin to. Ito yung masarap to sa sinigang. Yung malapot ang sabaw. Hiwa-hiwain na natin ang ating mga kamote at gabi. Tayo ng bilo-bilo. Yan. Meron pa tayo tira the last time. So, gagamitin natin yan. Glutinous rice flour. Okay, let's make the langka here. Let's make lots and lots of langka. ready na tayo magluto. Ihanda na natin ang lahat. Yan, may sugar tayo. Konting sago. Meron tayong bilo-bilo, saging, at langka. Ito yung pinagalo-halo kong kamote, gabi, tsaka kamoteng ubi daw. Walang ubi eh. They don't have ubi in the market. I've been looking for it. And then, you know, 5 lata niyan coconut cream. Parang ang dami yata ng kamote ko. Tapos ilagay na din natin ang saging. Nilagay ko na nga lahat. Para isang kuluan na lang. Diba? Para isang kulo na lang. Yan. Ay, sus. Our ginatan is done. Meron na tayong ginatan. Kain po tayo. Halika, Cherny. Kain tayo, anak. Kain tayo, anak. Robin. Next time, pakakainin ko nito si Baby Gab. Ang sanggol ni Lola, pakakainin ko ng ginatan. I love you guys. I love you, Baby Apo.